My name is Liu Ziting.
My name is Leroy Fei.
My name is Divisha Silvanathan.
My name is Natalia and we are from SMK Infant Jesus Convent Johor Bahru. The title of our project is Ecoflame.
Why do we create this product? This is because we have found some problem in the school, which is school generate large amounts of food waste daily, which end up in landfill, producing harmful methane emission. Many schools rely on new renewable energy for cooking, which is costly and unsustainable. Besides, uneaten food from the students is thrown into rubbish bin, where it rots and attracts swarms of flies.
Next, I'll be talking about strategy solution proposal, creating a biogas system that uses cow dung and food waste as raw materials. The gas producers can be used for cooking or small-scale electricity generation. The remaining solid water can be converted into compost fertilizer.
The gas in the first tank, which is filled with fermented food waste, flows into the water tank. Biogas is generated where microorganisms break down the organic material. The biogas is then going to flow out from the tube attached to the water tank.
The materials needed to build the system is a hot glue gun, which is 13 ringgit 30 cents, tape, which is Rm 2 ringgit 90 cents, an air hose, which is 22 ringgit 90 cents, and also a plastic box, which is 2 ringgit and 60 cents. The total cost of all the materials needed is 41 ringgit and 70 cents.